Welcome back to another episode of 𝗛𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗃 podcast. I'm very lucky today to have Dr. Valentina with me. She works here at City Hospital. Dr. Valentina, it's great to have you. Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Thank you very much for the invitation. I come originally from Italy and I've done my training between Italy and the US. And I moved here in the UAE about 8 years ago. I'm lucky enough to be a general surgeon and head of general surgery here at City Hospital, and I'm specialized mostly in proctology and pelvic floor diseases.
So today we're talking about the EMBELLA chair. It's something very new at City Hospital. So what is it? What does it do?
We're very proud to have here at City Hospital the EMBELLA chair, so-called also happy chair. And this chair is a magnetic chair where the patients can sit comfortably and do their pelvic floor exercises. The EMBELLA chair uses an energy called 𝗲𝗋, which is a high intensity focused electromagnetic energy which stimulates the pelvic floor muscles to contract at a maximal level.
So the chair itself, what does it sort of focus on, looking at what sort of medical conditions is it sort of helping?
So the main indication is urinary incontinence, but can be used as well for fecal incontinence, soiling, and all the cases where the patients have pelvic floor issues and pelvic muscle wasting.
So the EMBELLA chair, who are the good candidates for that?
Patients, both male and female, not only with urinary incontinence, but with a lot of other pelvic floor issues, such as weakness, such as chronic pain, such as other intimate conditions. So this is a chair which can be used both in ladies and gentlemen.
Is there any safety concerns with the chair? Anything if you've got a pacemaker or anything like that, is there anything that people who couldn't use the chair?
Yes, it's allowed for every patient above the age of 18, and is not allowed in patients that are pregnant and patients having a pacemaker or a metallic coil. Other than that, can be used in any sort of patients.
So one of the main concerns of our patients is embarrassment. Some of these conditions that we're talking about can be really embarrassing and hard to talk about. How does this chair help us?
So these issues can be definitely very embarrassing, both for ladies and gentlemen, and it takes a lot of effort already for the patients to come and see a doctor. And the chair solves the problem of body exposures because the patients will sit for the session comfortably and fully dressed in a private room to get the session done.
I think the privacy matter is a real issue, and actually I visited the chair myself this week. It was actually a really nice experience. The room is private, you have your own TV, and you can sit there for 25 minutes on your own and have the treatment that you need. Obviously, living in Dubai, we're extremely busy people, and what's the time factor of this chair?
So the session is delivered in only 25 minutes, and the beauty of it is the patients will get delivered 22,000 Kegels for the pelvic floor muscles, so you will understand the effect actually is visible since the first session. Yes, I absolutely agree. So we did an extra effort to make the room as comfortable as possible for the patients, and it's completely private, and once again the patients are completely fully dressed.
What is the long-term benefits of the EMBELLA chair? I mean, how many treatments do you need, and what is the long-term maintenance?
So we ask the patients to come once a week, so it's a minimal effort, only 25 minutes once a week, and the minimal number of sessions is 4, but can go up to 8, 10 according to the disease of the patient. Now, some of the patients we need to come again and do one session every 6 months to 1 year, just to help the pelvic floor muscles to maintain the full strength.
I think this chair would be life-changing for certain people in their treatment, and how these embarrassing things can be sorted here at Mediclinic City Hospital. We have our clinic running every day, and I think it's great that we have doctors like you, Dr. Valentina, that can help people can come and talk and share their problems. What is your take-home message to the listeners?
So we are very proud here at City Hospital and in Mediclinic in general to have a fully equipped pelvic floor center, so patients can visit a gynecologist, a urologist, the colorectal surgeon, the pelvic floor physiotherapist, and we discuss the cases together. So my message for everyone is, for sure there is a solution for you. Please come and visit us and we will be happy to assist you.
Thank you so much for your time here, Dr. Valentina. I think it's been a really interesting podcast, and thank you for listening. See you next time on 𝗛𝗲𝗶𝗃𝗃 podcast.